It just seems like the bigger our mansions get, the more problems we have. And my buddy PX is certainly no exception. In fact, he explained that he had been notified by Amazon that his air fryer was a fire hazard. As it turns out, 2 million COSORI brand air fryers were recalled due to a design flaw. All he had to do was provide photo evidence that he cut the power cord, and then the manufacturer would send him out a new one. Great, but what exactly was this design flaw, and did they make any additional modifications? Let's take a closer look by first disassembling the defective air fryer.
They got like these weird insulator type things.
Those are just to connect.
Yeah.
And then keep separate.
Yep.
It actually looks like a cheaper version of those heat shields we slip over the spark plugs to prevent fires. How does this compare to the revised model, if anything? Oh, it's different.
Mm-hmm.
Let's look at the other one. So they went from those sleeves to a much more protected fitting.
Questions answered.
Yup.
We'll have to take apart the top part of this one.
Well, also...
Because this one was the one that the fan rattles
Yeah.
on.
Let's examine beneath the cover. Hey!
God, that front seems really stuck. Yeah, it should have went. I'm pushing it way back. I mean, I'm dang near bending the stupid thing.
Can you lift it up now? Just on that side, yeah. It's like...
Oh, there we go.
Okay.
Finally.
So I was pushing outward.
Oh, yeah.
Ready?
On the white or the black?
White. Ready?
Yeah.
Go. Once again, the defective one contains these same synthetic sleeves as opposed to the new ones, which went with the bulky foam harness and the metal retaining clip. Interesting. They incorporated the safety revision on top of and underneath.
One edge is ribbed.
Okay. This is the ribbed one?
Yeah.
Lastly, let's explore that rattling issue he had mentioned earlier with the new model. But in order to do that, we'll need to repair the snipped power cord on the recalled model. Okay, good. It's a good sign, though, that it takes so long to heat.
Use some good cord.
Mm-hmm.
I can start to feel it back here.
Can you? The heat?
Mm-hmm. Coming through the wires. There she goes, finally.
Okay. Okay, just keep her still. Oh, beauty! If we really wanted to protect it, we could secure these better too.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we got the old one and then the new one.
So that's all that one does.
Okay. It did take noticeably longer to fire up.
Yep. Yeah, the fan ramps up way slower than that one.
And that thing's blocked.
What now? That.
I do hear it. I think it might even be that plate, that heating element. So yeah, the heating element is there.
I bet you, because you see, it's not clearanced right. So when it's warming up and starts vibrating a little, it rattles against itself. What this looks like. That one seems to have more clearance.
Yeah, it does.
So yeah, I bet you that's what it is that's just rubbing on itself. Like
Right there.
right there, right there, right there. One of those
All of
joints.
them, actually, they're all touching.
So yeah, I bet you that's
Here you got, I can see daylight through there.
Yeah, that's what it is then. Oh, I bet you it's this outside one. Because if you get it in the right light, you can see a little gap on this very outside ring. So I bet you once it starts going, it starts rattling up against it. Well, then it's nothing to worry about then, I guess. Good to go. Project done. And scene.
Now, given the fire hazard, the defective unit warrants exchanging of those flimsy sleeves for something a little bit more robust. If that video interests you, let us know in the comments. I'd honestly like to say, we don't ever take your thumbs up for granted. Feel free to subscribe if you'd like, and we thank you for watching.